Hello, Mouse Diva family. So I did not have time to film an intro this morning before I had to go to work.
I've been all around the world.
Today is June 22nd, 2020, and it is the first day that people are allowed to make park reservations. Those people are the people that already have Disney World Resort reservations. So Disney never said what time that the reservations would go live, like you'd be able to register. But everybody pretty much assumed that it would be around 7 Eastern Standard Time, because that's kind of when fast passes and stuff like that, you're able to do that. I was there at 7, I logged on at like 7:00 something and was having issues right away. I did vlog the process, and the reason I vlogged it was so that everyone else, when it's your turn, when they allow pass holders, when they allow other people that are not pass holders or that don't have a resort reservation yet, so you would know the process and what to expect. And for those of you that are just curious to see how it went, because this could be something that we might have to deal with a lot for, you know, who knows, a couple years. I mean, who knows what's going to happen. Sorry, it's getting so dark. It's getting cloudy. The big question is, did I get any park reservations? Well, let's find out.
7:09 in the morning. The page for the park reservations is like this. I was on 3 minutes ago and it was fine. It was just telling you to check back. 8:32, I just came back on, and right on the right hand corner of the make a reservation page, it said make reservation, and it came straight to this, and it's counting down a minute. It keeps bumping me back to 30 seconds. It gets down, it had been getting down to about 30 seconds, and then it would bounce back to another 30 seconds. So hopefully maybe this time I can get in and it won't bump me out. See, it did it again. And then it finally went down to 0 seconds and then went to this page. It's 8:40. I went into, opened another tab back to Walt Disney World, and just to sign in, this is what happened. So it's automatically taking you to this if you go to the site. I'm trying to find it on the Disney app, and I can't even find where you can make park reservations on the app. Okay, while I'm waiting, I guess I need to read the acknowledgement. Health acknowledgement. It says all Disney Resort hotel guests must read the health acknowledgement prior to arrival. So I guess I'm going to do that. So it's just saying that you're at risk to getting it by visiting the parks. And then here are some signs. They want you to make sure that you're not experiencing any of these things before coming to the parks. These two kept telling me to sign in, but I'm actually already signed in because I pulled up another link. So let's see what is going to happen now. Go to My Disney Experience, come down to Disney Park Pass System, click on. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Make the park reservation. And this says 12 minutes. And it's 8:55 at this point. I'm getting nervous because I need to leave for work in an hour. Well, I walked out of the room for a few minutes and it looks like it bounced back up. Oh, but then it went straight to this screen, as you could see. So great, now I have 3 screens with the pretty little castle on it. Wonderful. So at 9:10, it let me log in, and then it went back to this page. It's 9:38 and this just keeps adding more time on once it gets down. I haven't done anything with these two. They went to the sign in page and I just left it at that. I was scared if I signed in again it might like bump this one back or whatever. I don't know. But see, it just keeps going. So I have asked Instagram, has anybody been able to make reservations yet? And as of now, nobody has came through and said, yep, I got mine. Oh my gosh, it's something. Oh my. 9:40. What the heck? So I clicked on my date that I want and I clicked on the park and then it's like select arrival window. Oh, okay, that's good. That's what the park hours. Okay, I got the first day, so now I get to make another one. So we're going to check the date, August 10th. And it's loading the parks. It's loading pretty slowly, which really makes me nervous. Oh, tick-tock, tick-tock. Okay, we want Hollywood Studios for the 10th. This is their park hours. Okay, now I'm on to mine and Tom's. I got all 3 days for the August trip for Lakeland and I. Now, like I said, October. Well, this sucks. Okay, so you can only make 3 days worth of passes. So I cannot make any selections for me and Tom in October until after our August trip, which just worries me to death. There's not going to be anything left. So maybe when it opens to the general public, then maybe I can get it then, but it looks like this is it for now. Okay, I'm nervous, so I logged in on I logged in again to make sure those were there, showing up in my Disney experience, and now they have, thank you for your continued patience. I'm going to see if I got an email. Well, I'm totally worried. There's no email confirming that I got those dates, and I hit the back page on where I was reserving and it went to this. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm going to try my Disney experience. Okay, guys, I am so incredibly relieved. Like, I actually have chills. I am not kidding. So, yes, it does say that for August 9th, I have a park pass to Epcot for 2 guests. August 10th to Hollywood Studios for 2 guests. And August 11th, 2 guests to Magic Kingdom. Ooh, so that only took, I got on here at 7:09 and it's 9:49. I have decided I am going to take a screenshot of these on my phone, just in case, you never know. And hopefully if people change their minds, they will cancel their reservations if they get it to open it up to someone else. Because when I click on details, it does give me that option, which not going to happen. Sorry, guys. I hope that if you were trying to get passes, you got yours. Please comment below and let me know. Let me know some of your Disney plans if you're actually going to go in 2020. And I will see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.